Today, we will be reviewing the US Bank Business Leverage Visa Signature Card. This card is a standout choice for businesses aiming to maximize rewards on their spending. With its unique blend of flexibility and rewarding benefits, it's designed to ensure your business earns cash back where it matters most, seamlessly and without the hassle of tracking specific categories. So let's dive into the features that make this card an essential tool for savvy business owners. All right, let's take a look at some of the card basics. So starting with an annual fee. Now, there is a $95 annual fee for this card, but it is a $0 annual fee for your very first year. This card is tailored to boost your rewards effortlessly. So you get automatic rewards. You can earn an impressive 2% cash back automatically in your top spending categories each month with no need for manual selection. And you get another unlimited 1% cash back on all other eligible purchases with no cap on the rewards you can accumulate. And as for this introductory offer, you can kickstart your savings with a lucrative sign-up bonus and enjoy a $0 annual fee in your first year. Now, one thing to note is that these numbers can vary from the time of recording, and for the most up-to-date offers, be sure to check out the links down in the description. So exploring deeper into the rewards and benefits, you get an adaptive 2% category. So this card intelligently adapts to your spending, offering 2% cash back in the areas where your business spends the most each month. This card also comes with rewards pooling. So simplify rewards management by pooling rewards across company cards into one account. Diverse redemption options. So flexibility in redemption means you can choose from cash back, gift cards, or travel rewards, catering to any preference. Now, looking at some pros and cons. Evaluating the advantages and the potential drawbacks of this card. So some of the pros are flexible rewards. So you'll automatically earn the 2% cash back in your top spending categories, offering simplicity and efficiency. You also receive unlimited rewards. So there are no limits on the amount of cash back you can earn, making every purchase rewarding. And there are also a variety of redemption choices. So with options ranging from cash back to travel, the card offers great flexibility. Now, some of the drawbacks are the annual fee after your first year. So be prepared for that $95 annual fee following the initial year. And this could be a pro or a con, but it's best for diverse spenders. So the card favors businesses with varied spending, possibly limiting the appeal for those with concentrated expenses. Now, comparing this to some other cards. So in comparison with its peers, the US Bank Business Leverage Visa Signature Card stands out for its auto-adjusting reward system and the broad array of redemption options. So unlike other business credit cards that necessitate choosing bonus categories or come with fixed categories, this card adapts to your spending habits each month. So this, coupled with its no cap on rewards, makes it an exceptionally flexible choice for businesses aiming for a straightforward reward strategy. Now, while there are some awesome perks to this card, I would definitely also recommend checking out the following business credit cards before making a final decision. First up, we have the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card. Also from Chase, we have the Chase Inc. Business Cash Credit Card. From American Express, we have the American Express Business Gold Card, as well as the American Express Business Platinum Card. And from Capital One, we have the Capital One Venture X Business. But if you're still unsure on what business credit card is right for you and your business, we'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description to check out Card Match. Now, Card Match helps you get matched with the right card for you and your business based on a really quick survey with no impact on your credit score. So to wrap things up, opting for the US Bank Business Leverage Visa Signature Card means choosing a card that aligns with your business's spending trends, ensuring maximum rewards with minimal effort. Its innovative approach to rewards, offering both flexibility and a wide selection of redemption options, positions it as an invaluable asset for businesses seeking to optimize their spending and rewards strategy effectively. This card doesn't just reward you, it grows with your business, turning every expense into an opportunity for more benefits. So that's all for this review, and if you want to get started with this card today, there will be links down in the description to do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.